So hello everyone. So I am Isal Chorsia and I am in Perfect Academy Chemistry faculty. So as you all know that we have started one new chapter, that is redox reactions, and we have already finished basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, you all can watch those videos. So here in redox reactions we discussed, I told you this chapter we can divide in two parts. First part is calculation of oxidation number and second part is balancing of redox reactions. So first part we have already discussed. I have given you some homework. I hope that you all have done. So second part is how to balance any redox reactions. So intro of that part I have given. And so today we will start simply just by doing some questions. Okay, so I told you there is something called half reactions. Half reactions means there should be involvement of electron. It can be either oxidation or reduction. Okay, and full cell reaction means in any full cell reaction, in any complete reaction, you will not see any electrons. You will not see any electrons. For example, if somebody is writing like this, Zn2 plus, what is zinc? Zn2 plus copper. Okay, let's take Zn plus copper 2 plus. Okay, because Zn2 plus copper, it won't be spontaneous. Okay, so Zn plus copper 2 plus, it will give you Zn2 plus copper. Is there any involvement of electrons? No. That means it is complete reaction. Only thing is we have to balance it. Okay, otherwise it is complete reactions. Now, so this is complete reaction. But if someone is writing like this only Zn2 plus, is it complete reaction? No. Why? Because there will be involvement of electron. Why? Because here you can see 2 plus charge. Here there is no charge. And you know, both sides, reactant side also, product side also, there should be same number of electrons or same charge. Okay, so charge you have to balance. Here 2 plus charge, so we can add 2 minus charge. Electron means what? Minus 1. So 2 minus 1 if you add, it will be what? 2 minus charge, and 2 plus means what? 0. There is no charge here, no. So this balanced half reaction. Why half reaction? Because there is involvement of electron. So how to balance any half reaction? Any half reactions when there is involvement of electrons. Okay, so let's do it. For example, one half reaction is given like this. MnO4 minus will give you Mn2 plus. How will you balance it? Why we have to balance, you know? Because here you can see 4 oxygen. Here there is no oxygen, no. So you have to balance it. You have to balance this half reactions first. Okay. So how will you do it? How will you balance this half reaction? So first thing is you have to balance central atom. Here which one is central atom? Mn. Here also Mn only. Okay. So 1 Mn, here also 1 Mn. You can see here only 1 Mn. Here also 1 Mn. Okay. You write like this. Here only 1 Mn, here also 1 Mn. That means central atom is already balanced. There is no need to balance it. Okay. How many? Okay. After that you have to balance number of oxygen atoms. Here how many atoms? 4 oxygen. Here there is no oxygen. So to balance oxygen we have to add water molecule. Because in water molecule also there is oxygen. No. So here 4 oxygen. So 4 water molecule. 4 water molecule, correct? Since 4 oxygen, so 4 water molecule. Now thing is, here you can see 8 hydrogen is present. Here in the reactant side you have to add 8 hydrogen. So here what? 8H plus, correct? 8H plus. How many plus charge here? 2 plus charge. How many plus charge here? See 8 plus and 1 minus means what? 7 plus charge. 7 plus charge. What will you do to get 2 plus? See here is 2 plus, here is 7 plus. If you add 5 electron, if you add 5 minus charge and 7 plus charge, 5 minus charge means what? Total 2 plus charge. Here also 2 plus charge. So it is balanced. Means 5 electrons you have to add. Correct? Since you are adding electron in reactant side, since this is gaining electron, that means it is what? Reduction process. This process is called reduction process. Okay. Or removal of oxygen also you can see. Here 4 oxygen, here there is no oxygen. So removal of oxygen also reduction. Okay. Now 5 electrons here, correct? Since there is involvement of electrons, it is called half reactions, correct? So this reaction is called half reaction. Why half reaction? Because there is involvement of electron, correct? So always remember, first we have to balance central atom, second we have to balance number of oxygen atom, third we have to balance number of hydrogen atom, okay? Just by adding water molecule. By adding water molecule. What is this H plus? Is it acid? From acid only you will get H plus, no. So this reaction you have balanced in acidic condition. In acidic condition, correct? Now what do you have to do? Now I will give you one reaction, complete reaction, and you have to balance both half cell reaction. Why I am saying 2 half cell reaction? Because see, whenever you will write any complete reaction, there will any reduction, any redox reaction, there will be 2 processes. So both process you have to balance it in this way only, okay? In this way only. So, okay, one more thing. What is the oxidation number of this? +7. Why +7? Because it is x minus 8 equal to -1. X is what? +7. So +7 is the oxidation number of this. What is the oxidation number of this? +2. Whatever charge you see in any ions, whatever charge you see, that is called oxidation number. So +7 to +2, what is change here? 5 electron change. +7 to +2 is 5 electron change. That's why you're writing here what? 5 electrons, okay? 5 electrons. Let's do some questions based on this. MnO4 minus with Fe2 plus, and it will give you Fe3 plus Mn2 plus. In aqueous solution you are taking, okay? To balance any redox reaction, you can add water molecule in it, okay? So you can add water molecule. So what I am saying here, so here MnO4 minus, what is the oxidation number? What is the oxidation number? Here if you calculate, it will be what? X plus 4 into -2 equal to what? -1. So x minus 8 equal to what? -1. X minus 8 equal to -1. So x equal to what? +7. X equal to +7. X equal to +7. So oxidation number here is +7. Here is what? +2. So +7 to +2 is what? See, you can see oxidation number is decreasing, means what? It is reduction process. +2 to +3 is what? Oxidation number is increasing. See, oxidation number is increasing, so it is what? Oxidation process. Okay, so this process is oxidation and this process is reduction, okay? So you have to write both half reactions first, okay? So how would I write both half reactions? Here you can see MnO4 minus will give you what? Mn2 plus. This is reduction process. First we will balance this. I've already discussed, I think, okay? So here what I told you, how to balance. Here 1 Mn, here also 1 Mn. 4 oxygen, so 4 water molecule. 8 hydrogen, so 8 H plus. Now you can see there in reactant side there is 7 electrons, while in product side 2 plus charge. Here 7 plus charge. Here 2 plus charge. So here you have to add what? 5 electrons. 5 electrons. Sometimes you may be in confusion that in which side you have to add electrons, whether it is in reactant side or product side. So for that I will say, if you don't know how to balance charge, then simply you can see it is reduction process. No. So in reduction process, you know you have to add electron in reactant side only, okay? Second process is oxidation. So Fe2 plus will give you what? Fe3 plus. Fe2 plus will give you what? Fe3 plus. Okay, so now you have to balance that. Fe2 plus will give you Fe3 plus. How many Fe here? 1 Fe. How many Fe here? 1 Fe. That means it is already balanced. There is no oxygen. Again, there is no need to balance. Only thing you have to balance is charge. How to balance charge? Here 2 plus charge. Here what? 3 plus charge. Here plus charge is more. So you have to add 1 electron. Why 1 electron? Because see here you have to add 1 electron. Why 1 electron? Why 1 minus charge? Because here only 1 electron more. No. Sorry. Here 2 plus. Here 3 plus. If you just see plus charge, here more plus charge. So here you have to add minus charge. So now it is balanced. Now what you have to do? After balancing half reactions, you know here is what? 5 electrons. Here how many electrons? 1 electrons. So now you have to balance number of electrons in both the process. So here 1 electron, so here you have to multiply by 5. Once you will multiply by 5, what will happen? Here will be 5 electron, here also 5 electrons. So this 5 electron and this 5 electron will be cancelled. So here MnO4 minus plus 8H plus Fe2 plus what? Sorry, Fe not Fe2 plus, it is 5 Fe2 plus will give you what? Mn2 plus 4 water Fe3 plus. So sorry, 5 Fe3 plus. Correct? 5 Fe3 plus. Okay. Now you can see this is H plus. Here you can see there is involvement of H plus ions. Don't you think that is acidic condition? Yes. This condition is acidic condition. Okay. But sometimes in the question you will see instead of asking in acidic condition, they may ask in basic condition, in alkaline condition, in ammonia solution, in any solution they can ask. Okay, any solvent you can take. So what you have to do then? Let's say same question they are asking in alkaline medium. Okay, in alkaline medium means what? OH minus. Here you can see there is H plus. So see, irrespective of medium, whatever medium they are asking, you have to balance in this way only. Okay, thing is you will get H plus